This is the card we're going to be doing today. It's a very quick card. It doesn't take long. I've used the DSP for the envelope, so that's quick and easy, and it just comes together so quick and easy. I'm repeating myself. I'm sorry about that. I will get started. I have my cough again. Yay! Okay, so this is from the Spotlight on Nature. It's the dies, or one of the dies, and I just put the Post-it note on the bottom so that I won't get the stems down here. I love this set. It's such a pretty set. The flowers are gorgeous. So I am just going to, actually I need it this way because I can't see where I'm at the top. And I want to make sure I'm getting it as high up as I possibly can and not getting any of the stems on the design of the die. There we go. And I'll take that off and it's done. See, it's perfect that way. So remember, your Post-it notes are your friends. Okay, I am getting my blues and my greens because that's what I need on this, and I'm using Winka Stella on it too. So I'm going to take my dark green, and I did this on the inside too, but I didn't want to have to repeat it, so I just did it ahead of time. Once you've seen me do it, you don't need to see me do it a couple times. It's easy. It's not like it's a difficult thing to do, so once should be enough. There we go. That's with the dark Granny Apple Green. And now I'm bringing the light Granny Apple Green. See, it just doesn't take that much time. So how's everybody doing today? Today is Good Friday. And, well, when I'm doing this video. And my lovely husband and son-in-law took the kids, and they're at the trailer working on the kids' place. And I'm here by myself, and it's kind of like, wow. It's amazing. Silence is in the house. Most of you probably don't have your grandchildren with you all the time. Well, if you've got children, you got your children with you, but yeah, we have grandchildren with us all the time. We are blessed. That was Boho Blue Light, and this is Balmy Blue Dark. And it's giving it just a little bit of a difference. Not very much. I wanted the flowers a little bit lighter than solid Boho Blue. So that's why I brought in the Balmy Blue. And Balmy Blue is in the the paper, as is Night of Navy Boho Blue. I even think Misty Moonlight's in there. It's a beautiful paper. And I didn't show you what I'm using. So now that I've got that, I'm going to bring in my Crumb Cake and the dotage. And I'm stamping off the dotage, and I'm putting it, actually I'm going to do full strength around the flowers. So it's like a little mist of dotage. And then when I get out here, I'm going to fill it in, almost mist stamping off. And I'm trying to keep it away from this edge. I haven't always succeeded, but it's okay. Whatever way it ends up, it's fine. It's just, I'm trying to keep it white if I can, so that it kind of stands out a little bit. And there's just a small, if I turn that around maybe, there. Now, I don't know if you can see that very well, but it just adds something to the background. It's just not stark white. And I didn't want to do a sky in the background because it's too much of the same color. I hope that you understand what I mean by that. This is also a die cut from the Spotlight on Nature. And I'm going to put this together, and then I am going to do my butterfly. Now the butterfly is really pretty, the color combination. I used it the other day for, I called it my daisy card because I wanted to use these colors, and I'll be using it again with echinacea colors, or coneflower colors, whatever you want to call it. It's actually a coneflower, echinacea. So it is, but I wanted to use the daisy colors with the card that I was using. You get something in your head and it's like, nope, I want what I want. And if you don't have the daisies, you make daisies. This is Pumpkin Pie Dark. And I am just going to come out a little ways with this. And this does not take long either. And I'm going to come out with the Pumpkin Pie Light. And I'm kind of blending it together. There we go. Now I'm using the Daffodil Dark. And I'm blending it at the same time. Blending where they join. Now the next one I'm going to do, oopsie, gotta make that stretch a little bit longer. I'm going to use, oh, there we go, my Lemon Lolly Light, and I am going to fill in all this, and then I'm going to blend it all together. I need a new Lemon Lolly blend, but this will do until I order it. It still has some juice in it, just not a lot. It's telling me you need a new one. Isn't that pretty? Now I am taking my black journaling marker, and I'm just coming in here and I'm making it really dark as the body. There, what do you think? Isn't that pretty? Now I am going to put all that away because I need room. Cover that up. And now I am going to shake my body. I am literally shaking my whole body when I did that. There we go. I honestly don't know if you can see that, but it looks pretty in real life. It just is a little pick-me-up, like that. And this is going to come in here, and I am going to lay this flat. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. I don't want to go to the ends because some of the ends of the wings are off. So I am going to put that right there. Now, isn't that pretty? Okay. Now, I have stamped happy birthday, and I cut it out, and then I put it on Night of Navy and cut it out again. And I've already colored that one. So I am just going to attach this designer series paper that we're losing in a short amount of time. I hate this time of year in Stampin' Up! Because you lose some of your favorite stamp sets. And that's a hard pill to swallow. We're left with no man stamps. Like nothing. I could not find a man stamp in the catalog, which is really bad as far as I'm concerned. So I'm going to have to make my men's cards with retired stamp sets. This is my Seal Plus that I use for my ribbons always. I used to use glue dots, but I like the Seal Plus for this specific, because it is so tough and it's strong. Strong like bull. Does a good job. And I really like that part. Now I'm putting this on my white. See, it's not taking long at all. It's a little bit longer than some cards, but it's actually quite quick. for like a stepped up card. Once you got your circles cut, and there. Like that. And then this is going to be dimensionaled up. And I'm using the black dimensionals because you can't see them. Okay, now there's my, I have to, I'm putting this over top the ribbon, so I don't want to put it on the ribbon. So I'm doing my dimensionals around the ribbon. So what's everybody doing for Easter? Are you going someplace? Are you having people over? Or are you doing it a different time? Black dimensionals are so nice because you can see that you have lifted the backing off without having to feel it. And I wonder if I can get this one off and move it ever so little over here. That. Well, don't want it to stick to my finger. There we go. Let go of the... Oh my goodness, that's funny. So I'm trying to get this in the center. There, and now I get my ribbon scissors. We'll hang on to that. It was flopping in the breeze. There it is. Now I am going to just stick this right on here. I'm not going to elevate it at all. This is already elevated, so I don't like to put two sets of dimensionals on. It makes it too high as far as I'm concerned to go through easily through the mail. And I don't want to make a cost anymore. So now I am using this gorgeous pearls, looking at the wrong back, basic gray and smoky slate pearls. I love these. Haven't used a lot of them, but I still love them. And I'm going to flip to a bigger one over here. You can do 3 small ones, but I am doing a bigger one. So what do you think? Isn't that pretty and easy? Fairly quick. Oh my word. I like to put these away because I end up losing so many of them if I don't. For some reason, I don't know how, but I lose things. If you could like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, that would be wonderful. When you subscribe, you get notifications of when I put up a new video, and hopefully you're liking my cards and will want to do that. It just helps me grow the channel, which I'm trying to do. It's a struggle. This is 2 by 6, and it fits the back of the envelope perfectly. It was just a leftover piece I had when I was cutting my designer series paper, and it happened to be perfect. I could not believe that it was perfect, because usually it doesn't work that way. And I'm just cutting around here. Oh, now it's stuck to me. There we go. I will fix that later. I need to cut it a little bit more, but I won't take your time and do that. So what do you think of my card? Please like, if you like this, please let me know. Comment. Do you like the colors of the butterfly? Do you like how I made the butterfly? Just let me know if you like it. Thanks so much for being here. I truly appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to spend it with me. Thanks. Bye now.